Hey guys, in this video we are going to move our inventory or app homepage into a Laravel into our Laravel app. So this is the old code, and what we're going to do here is we can just copy this one and in our inventory Laravel app, let's go to the resources, views, and inside the app let's create a new file and let's name it homepage.blade.php. And then here in our route, so we need to create or register a new route. This is for the home page, so there is no additional path, and it will be the get homepage function. So you can create your own homepage or create your own function or name your own function. So in our app controller, let's create that function. So actually this should be get homepage, and this will just return the homepage page which is under the app. So now let's go to, so this is the login. We visit that one. As you can see, we have loaded the page. However, we still need to update or move the CSS file. So here, so it's using the login.css. So let's grab that one. Let's just copy the section for the home page. So I guess here, I think this is where the style sheet started for the home page. Let's see. So the class header, yeah, so this is, and so here we're going to copy that one, and then this will be homepage.css. So inside our public CSS, let's create that file, homepage.css. Now let's start copying that style. So let's just add spaces. So this is the end of the homepage styles. So let's here let's just add the comment. So let's refresh or paste that one, and then let's refresh. So as you can see, we have the styles, but it is not completely rendered, or the padding and the background image is not loaded. So let's check. So in our homepage.css, so we have this banner. Let's just find this image and then move it in the Laravel image folders. That is the banner.jpg. It's copy, and then we are going to move it in the inventory. What's that one? The public, and then images section. So now let's update the URL. So let's just see what we did in the login page. So here, so actually we need to have that one to remove the default styling, and then for the URL or the image URL, which that one? Okay, login. So this one, so we'll just remove this double period and just let's refresh, and as you can see here the background image is loaded, and we have the icons and the padding are correctly placed. However, here the font size is not our font family, so let's just, so here as you can see it should be Arial, so let's copy this one from an old style sheet, and let's just paste it here and refresh, and as you can see the font family has been updated. So basically that's it. We are able to create the home page for our inventory. So what we need to do now is let's update that link. So from the home page, once the user click the login button, it should only use this route, so that will load the login.php file. So let's try again. So visit the home page. If we click on the login, it will redirect us to the login page. So as you can see, we have successfully created a home page for our Laravel project. So we learned how to create a new index or new view, created a new CSS asset, and then we have learned, or we register a new controller or routing, and then created a new function in our app controller, and it will return this page or login. So in the next video we are going to learn how we can create this view. So we are going to learn how to use the layouts in Laravel using the blade template.